Hey Canva creatives, welcome back to the channel, or if it's your first time here, welcome. Today, I've got something really cool to show you. We're going to create a professional-looking coffee pouch mock-up using Canva. No Photoshop, no complicated software, just a few easy steps. Let's get started. First, open a new Canva canvas. Any size will work, but A4 or an Instagram post size is perfect for this kind of design. Next, go to the left-hand panel and click on Apps. In the search bar, type Mockups. Click on the Mockups app. Scroll down a little until you see the section called Packaging Frames. Click See All, and you'll find a collection of product mockups. Look for a pouch that fits a coffee product. When you find it, click to add it to your canvas, then resize it however you like. Now, upload your coffee pouch design, the label or artwork you've created. Once it's uploaded, just drag it onto the pouch mockup. Canva will automatically fit your design onto the shape. And just like that, you've got a great-looking coffee pouch mockup. No Photoshop, no stress. Just Canva. I hope this tutorial made things easier for you. If you found it helpful, leave a like and let me know in the comments what Canva tutorials you'd like to see next. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.